Ever wondered about those two letters, TD, you see plastered on bank branches, financial statements, and even sports arenas? You know, the ones that stand for Toronto Dominion? If you're like most people outside of a specific geographic region, you might be scratching your head, trying to pinpoint exactly where in the world this financial giant calls home. Is it the UK? The US? Somewhere completely different? Well, let's peel back the layers and uncover the fascinating journey of TD, a bank whose origins are deeply intertwined with the history and economic development of a particular North American nation. It's a story that began not too far from where I'm sitting now, actually, in a bustling city that's become a global financial hub. Think about it, a bank with Toronto right in its name. That's a pretty strong clue, isn't it? The answer to what country is TD in is, in fact, Canada. TD Bank Group, or simply TD, is one of Canada's Big Five banks, a term used to describe the largest and most influential financial institutions in the country. Its headquarters are firmly planted in Toronto, Ontario, a vibrant metropolis that serves as Canada's economic engine. But while its roots are distinctly Canadian, TD's reach extends far beyond its northern borders. You see, TD is a truly North American financial institution. While it's a household name in Canada, it also has a significant presence in the United States, operating as TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. This expansion into the U.S. market wasn't a sudden leap, it was a strategic move that saw TD acquire and integrate several regional banks over the years, most notably Commerce Bank in 2007. This aggressive growth strategy transformed TD from a primarily Canadian entity into a major player in the American banking landscape, particularly along the East Coast. So, when you see a TD branch in places like New York, Florida, or Maine, you're looking at a direct extension of that Canadian financial powerhouse. They offer a full range of banking services, from personal accounts and mortgages to business banking and wealth management, just like their Canadian counterparts. Beyond North America, TD also has operations in other parts of the world, though typically on a smaller scale, focusing on wholesale banking, capital markets, and wealth management services for institutional and high-net-worth clients. These international ventures further underscore TD's global ambitions and its role in the interconnected world of finance. But at its core, TD remains a deeply Canadian institution. Its values, corporate culture, and commitment to community are all shaped by its heritage. From its support of local initiatives across Canada to its significant contributions to the Canadian economy, TD's identity is inextricably linked to the maple leaf. So, the next time you encounter TD, you'll know that you're looking at a financial institution with a proud Canadian heritage, a substantial footprint in the United States, and a growing international presence. It's a testament to how a company can start in one place and grow to have a significant impact across continents. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.